Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4K car camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4K car camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Wolfbox G900. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Display, IPS. Pixels, 1200 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display size, 12-inch. Aperture, f1.5. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Number 4 is Redtiger F77. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Display LCD. Pixels, 500 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display size, 3-inch to 5. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 0.8 kilograms. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, FOV 170 degrees. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vantrue N4 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. Display, IPS. Pixels, 500 mega. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Display size, 3-inch to 5. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 900 grams. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 158 degree plus 160 degree plus 165 degree. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, SONY STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Number 2 is 70mm 4K Dashcam T800. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Display, IPS. Pixels, 800 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display size, 3-inch to 5. Aperture, f1.7 plus 4G3P. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.991 kilograms. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 146 degrees. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, SONY STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, NT98530. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DPI Z60 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Pay. Display, IPS. Pixels, 800 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display size, 3-inch. Aperture, f1.75. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 800 g. View angle, 138 degrees. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Imaging sensor, SONY STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon.